I'm Maren.
I'm Lee.
To work on an original score. I went to Trent Reznor and Atticus Ross because I want this Americana to be a very deep wall of sounds.
When we got the first cut of the film, no music or anything in it, we thought that this was a masterpiece.
We knew that the guitar was going to be the central element.
Which was from Luca. A simple, beautiful, naked acoustic guitar.
Why did you offer to bring me along?
You seem nice.
I am nice.
Music-wise, I think I was really excited because they're both open for anything, but I was still surprised how out there it was.
All the music is one performance edited with the film. Initially very acoustic, but as time moves on, these disparate stories come together.
Trent and Atticus, they go for things, and they are some of the most important in cinema composition. And it was wonderful to work with them.
You don't think I'm a bad person?
All I think is that I love you.
We've never had this kind of runway. It's one of the scores I'm most proud of.